Now, I want to tell you something most men don't want to hear. If you have to chase her all the time, you've already lost her. And no, this is not about playing games. This is about understanding how attraction actually works. A lot of men think the way to win a woman over is by doing more texting, more calling, more explaining, more trying. But the truth is, the more you chase a woman who isn't equally investing, the less she feels you. And the moment a woman stops feeling you, she starts pulling away. So if you want a woman to chase you, you don't need tricks, all right? You need to position yourself differently. So the first thing you should start doing is stop over availability. The first thing you need to understand is this: a woman cannot chase what is always available. If you're always there, replying instantly, canceling your plans, waiting around for her, there's nothing for her to move towards. Mystery disappears, value drops, and slowly she starts taking you for granted, right? Now, listen, this doesn't mean you should ignore or act cold. It means you have a life, all right? You have priorities, you have standards, and she can feel that she has to meet you halfway. So the second thing is let her invest emotionally. A woman chases when she feels invested, not when you are the only one investing. If you're the only one always asking questions, always initiating conversations, always keeping things alive, she's just responding. And when a woman who is only responding is not emotionally attached, I want you to start allowing silence. Start giving her space to wonder about you. All right? Because when she starts thinking, she starts feeling. And when she starts feeling, she starts chasing. Okay? Now, the third thing you should start doing, do not reward low effort. This is where many men get it wrong. She takes hours to reply, gives dry responses, barely shows interest. And you keep showing up with energy. You keep trying harder. No. What you reward continues. I hope you know that. If she gives you low effort and you respond with high effort, you're teaching her that she doesn't need to try. And trust me, she won't. Pull your energy back. Match her effort. Not out of spite. Match her effort out of self-respect. Number 4, be emotionally grounded. One thing women are extremely sensitive to is emotional instability. If your mood depends on her replies, if you get anxious when she pulls away, if you overreact to small changes, she feels it. And instead of chasing you, she starts creating distance. A woman is naturally drawn to a man who is centered, who is calm, who is grounded, who is in control of himself. When she sees that your world doesn't shake because of her, that's when she starts moving closer. Number 5, create the fear of losing you. Now, here's the truth most men avoid. A woman will only chase you when she feels she can lose you. Not in a toxic way. Not in a toxic way. Not by threatening or, playing mind games, but by your actions. By your actions. You are not always available. You are not over-invested. You're not desperate for her attention. She can feel that if she doesn't step up, she might lose access to you. And that's when things shift. Now, this is the real talk. You see, chasing isn't something you force. It's something you trigger. All right? When a woman feels curiosity, when she feels curiosity, emotional connection, and a little uncertainty, she leans in. But when she feels pressure, when she feels desperation, when she feels predictability, what does she do? She does the opposite. She pulls away. She pulls away. So if you really want a woman to chase you, stop trying to convince her to like you and start becoming a man she doesn't want to lose. Because the moment she feels that, you won't need to chase her anymore. She will start chasing you. She will start chasing you. If you've ever felt like you're the only one putting in effort, I want you to drop a me in the comments. M-E. Drop a me in the comments. And if you want more real, honest relationship advice like this, make sure you follow Eberichi Tips, because we are not playing games here. We are doing things the right way. So see you